of motherhood. That means the status of mothers under the Nazism. Okay, so the children in Nazi Germany was repeatedly told that women were racially different from the men. Okay, so the fight for the equal right for men and women that had become part of the democratic struggle everywhere was wrong, and it was a destroyed society. Okay, so while the boys are talked to aggressive, masculine, and steel-hearted, then girls were told that they had to become a good mother and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. Okay, so the girls had maintained the purity of the race, distance, and themselves from Jews. So look after the home and teach their children's Nazis value. Okay, so they had to be a bearer of the Aryan culture and the race. That means the mother or a girls was liable to teach their children's and their family members about the Nazis value. Okay, so in 1993 Hitler said that in my state the mother is the most important citizen, but the Nazi Germany all mothers were not treated equally. So because of it, women who bore racial undesirable children are punished, and those who produced racial desirable then children were aborted. Okay, so all Aryans, women who divided from the prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and the several punished. Okay, so those who maintained contact with Jews, Poles, and Russians were paraded through the town and shaved head, blackened faced, and placard hanging around his neck, and announcing, "I have slew to honor of the nation." These are the some punishments for the women who can be maintained any contact with the Jewish group of peoples, Poles, and Russians. Okay, so this was the condition of the women's or mothers in the time at the time of Nazism. Okay, so after it, the ordinary peoples and the crime against humanity. At that time, some ordinary peoples can also raise their voice, and some crimes against the humanity, that means to hit or to hurt the people's humanity, okay, is arise. So in many saw the world through Nazis' eyes and spoke their mind in Nazis' language. Okay, so the Hitler want that everyone can think, imagine, or express just only Nazis' view, Nazis' language, not their own view or express their own feelings. Okay, so they felt hatred and anger surge inside them, and when they saw someone who looked like a Jew, okay, so they marked the house of the Jews and reported subsequent neighborhood. So they genuinely believed that Nazism would bring prosperity and improve general willingness. Okay, so but not every German was a Nazi. Many organized active resistance to Nazism and bravely police repression and the death. Okay, so the large majority of the Germans, however, were passive or onlooker and apathetic witnessed. So they were took scared to the act to defer and to protest. Okay, so they deferred to look away. Okay, so it was just a lack of concern for Nazi victim only for because of the terror. Okay, that in 1930 offer a glimmer hope that not just for the unemployment but for everybody, for we all felt down straight. Okay, so this was the some outbreak about the Hitlers and the Nazism rule. Okay, and how the Hitler can be rise their power and treat their peoples. Okay, so I hope you all understand these things. Thank you. of motherhood. That means the status of mothers under the Nazism.